Hello children, I am Ramya Bharati. From today onwards, I am going to take mathematics to you. So today we are going to see addition. You must have learned in the previous year about addition of 3-digit number. This year you are going to learn addition of 4-digit number. Let's start with a simple problem in a shop. So they have given us an example of products in a shop. So let's write product here and its price here. First product is watch. Its price is 1349. Then calculator. Its price is 324 rupees. Then cell phone. Its price is 2454 rupees. Then speaker. Its price is 3298 rupees. And mixer. Its price is 3847. Then last, a radio. Its price is 2420. They have asked us little questions about this thing. Let's answer them. What is the cost of a calculator? So first we'll see where is the calculator. Here. Then what is the price of the calculator? Here. 324 rupees. Then what is the cost of the mixer? Mixer. Here it is. So its price is 3847 rupees. And cost of the radio. Cost of the radio is 2420. And cost of a mobile set, which is cell phone, is 2454 rupees. So these are very simple. They have given us the product and then their price and asked us about the price of the products. Now let's say they are going to, a person is going to buy 2 products. So then we have to add, let's say if he is going to buy this watch and calculator, then we have to add this both, so that we will get the total amount that he has to pay to the owner. So a person needs to buy cell phone and calculator. What will be the total amount? Now we are going to see how we are going to add 4-digit number and 3-digit number. Now we have, what are the price? Price of watch. What price of mobile? This 2454, and the same person needs to buy calculator, which is 324 rupees. Here we have 4 digits and here we have 3 digits, and this here is its place value is unit. This here its place value is tens, and this here is hundreds, and this here is thousand. Likewise, unit, tens, hundreds. How we will do the addition normally? We'll write them according to their place value vertically. So let's try and do the same thing here. First one, amount of mobile. Or price. Is equal to 2004. First unit is 4, and then tens 5, hundreds 4, and then thousands again 2. Now we are going to write the price of calculator, which is 324 rupees. 4 units, 2 tens, and then 3 hundreds. Now normally what we'll do in the addition, we'll add the units first. So adding 4 and 4. 4 plus 4 will be 8. And then adding digits in the unit tens place. 7 plus 5 plus 2 will be 7. Then again adding the numbers in hundreds. So 4 plus 3 will be 7 and 1000. Here we have no numbers, so we'll simply can put 0. 2 plus 0 will be 2. So totally the person should give 207 and 2778 rupees for both the cell phones and the calculators. So let's try and solve another problem like the same way. Let's say the person wants to buy watch and radio. So price of the watch is equal to 1349, and then price of the radio is 2420. Now we'll write them according to the place value. 9 is the unit, 4 is the tens, 3 is the hundred, and 1 is the thousand. Same way we'll write price of the radio too. 0 is the unit, 2 is the tens, 4 is the hundreds, and 2 is the thousands. Now we'll add them. So 9 plus 0 will be 9. 4 plus 2 will be 6. 3 plus 4 will be 7. 1 plus 2 will be 3. So this is how we add 4-digit numbers. Now let's see, we can solve another sum. Write the cost of article in the place value chart and find their total cost. So we have two products here, mixer and 3847 and radio, which is 2420. Now we are going to write them according to their place value. We'll draw a box. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So unit 7, tens 4, hundreds 8, thousands 3, unit 0, tens 2, hundreds 4, thousands 2. Now we are going to add them. 7 plus 0 will be 7. 4 plus 2 will be 6. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So we have 1200 years. This is the carry. What we should do with the carry? We should take them to the upper level. Here we will put this carry so that we can add this both. 1 plus 3 will be 4 and then add this 2. 4 plus 2 will be 6. What we should do with carry? We should take them to the higher order, to the thousands, and then add them with the numbers already there. So we are adding 1 and 3, then we are adding 4 and 2. So we'll get 6 here. This is how we should do carry problems. Okay, now we are doing an example 1 with carry. We have prices of 2 products, which is mixer and cell phone. Price of mixer is 3,847 and cell phone is 2,454. Now we'll write it according to the place value. We have 7 units. So let's mark units with triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then tens with circles. And then hundreds with square. And then thousands with a diamond shape. Then we will be having 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 tens, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 hundreds, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 2 thousands, which is 1 and 2. Now we are going to add them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 units here and 4 units there. 7 plus 8, 9, 10, 11. So we'll get unit 1 and then 1 tens here. It will go here and it will get added. So then we'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 10. So here we will be having a 0 plus 100. It will go here and get add up. So here we will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we will be having 3 squares and then 1 diamond shape. It will go here and you will get another diamond here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We will be getting 6 diamonds here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 1, 2, 3. This goes up there, so we don't have to count this. 1, 2 and 3. Here we have only 0 and here we have 1. So what is the total amount? 6,301 rupees. This is how we should solve 4-digit problems. Now let's solve some more problems. We have 4,675 plus 3,452. Thousands, hundreds, tens, units. 4 is the 1000, 6, 7 and 5. 3,452 rupees. 5 plus 2 will be 7. 7 plus 5 will be 12. This is the carry. We'll take it to the up. So 1 plus 6 will be 7. 7 plus 4 will be 11. We'll be having 11. This will be the carry and we'll take this to the up. And 1 plus 4 will be 5. 5 plus 3 will be 8. So our total value is 8,127. During real life, we don't actually solve these problems like this. We'll do it on our mind. For example, when we are going to shop, like for buying some products, we will calculate it in our mind. Likewise, we have to try and solve this problem in our mind. So what are the other types of solving additional problems? We'll see. So let's add 328 plus 241. You have already learned in 3rd standard that you can write this both of them as 300 plus 20 plus 8 plus 200 plus 40 plus 1. It looks really lengthy. So what we are going to do is we are keeping this as such 328 plus, and we are splitting only this one, 200 plus 40 plus 1. So now we are going to add this 2, 328 plus 200, which means we are adding 200 to 328, which will give you 528 plus 40 plus 1. So now what we are going to do is add 528 with 420, which will give you 568 plus 1, and then adding this with this. It's a unit and then we are going to add it with the unit. So 569. 8 plus 1 will be 9. So this is how we solve some other problems. So let's solve another sum in the same model. So we are going to add 5,347 plus 2,635. We are keeping the first thing as such, 5,347 plus we are splitting and writing it as it has 2,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 5. We are going to add 5,347 plus 2,000, which is 7,347 plus 600 plus 30 plus 5. Again we are going to add 7,347 with 600, which will give you 7,947 plus 30 plus 5. Now we are going to add this with this. 40 plus 30 will be 70. 7,977 plus 5. Now we are going to add unit with unit. 5 plus 7 will be 12. So 2 remaining 1 7 plus 1 will be 8, 9, 7. So it will be 7,982 rupees. Let's see what are the other methods we can solve this problem with. Okay, so we are going to first sum. Add 328 plus 241. So we can write this as 200 plus 40 plus 1. We are writing the first term as such, and the second term we are splitting and writing as 200 plus 40 plus 1. Now we are going to take a scale. We are having 328 and adding the last term, unit first. Unit is 1. So we are adding plus 1 to 328, which will give you 329. Then we are adding 40. We are adding 40 to 329, which will give you 369. Now we are adding 200, which is left, to 369, which will give you 569. So these are the other methods that we can solve an additional problem. So there is a game for you to play. They are given you lot of number in a box, so we have to add them so that we are getting a result of 5,000 and above. If you win here, you will get 5 points. Let's add and see whether we are getting 5 points, which is above 5,000. So let's take 2 random numbers. So I'll take first 2 rows, okay, which is 3,820 plus 2,200 and 200. Now we are going to add this to 3,000 1,000, 100, tens, units. So we have 0 units here, 2 tens, 8 hundreds, 3 thousands. Here 0 units, 0 tens, 2 hundreds, 2 thousands. Adding units, 0 plus 0 will be 0. Tens, 2 plus 0 will be 2. Hundreds, 8 plus 2 will be 10. Now we are going to carry this to 1000, which will give you 4. 1 plus 3 will be 4, and then 4 plus 2 will be 6. We are getting 6020, which is greater than 5000. So we are getting 5 points. Try this and get more points, okay? We'll solve a sum which is having empty plots, okay? So 5, 2, 4, 6 and 3, 4, 2 and 8. So they are given us some answers 6 and 7, and they are asking us to fill this empty boxes. Let's try and fill them. Here 6 plus 8 will be 14. We'll be having 14 here. We need only units, right? So we are writing units here. and then the carry to the up. Then here 5 plus 3 will be 8. We just need to find the empty one. We don't have to solve the whole sum. Another one. 3, 5, 2, 9, 2, 3, 4, empty. And then 5, box, 7, 0. So we are going to solve it in a way that when this box is filled, we'll get 0 and then here we'll get 7. Let's see, 2 plus 4 will be 6, but you have 7 here. So you need a carry here and you need 0 here. When you put some numbers here, you have to get numbers which will be 10, because we have a carry here and then 0 here, which means we have 1 and then 0. 9 plus 1 will be 10. So we are going to put 1 here so that we can get 10 and put 0 here and 1 in the top. Next we are going to fill this one. 5 plus 8 will be 5 plus 3 will be 8. So this is how you solve the box problems. Okay, that's all for today. Try and solve the exercise problems. Number 1, Roman 1, exercise problems, which is write the symbolic pictures numbers in their place value chart and find their sum. You have to finish the 2 problems in it and then send it to me. Thank you, children.